Hey guys, in the last video we have seen that how to bake an image. What I mean by bake an image is we create different images of a same image with a different resolution and different for the different kind of devices. So it can perform uh, or it can adapt itself for the different type of devices, right? Okay. Now in this video we are going to see that how to create a custom icon for our custom launcher icon for our application. So basically what I mean by the custom launcher icon is that let me explain you that if you are using a smartphone, obviously you are using in that smartphone you are using many applications, right? So in that application there is a launcher icon like this one, right? These all are the launcher icon. So these launcher icon have a different shape. First of all, let me tell you that uh, in this particular phone these icons are in a rounded tray, right? So this round is a tray. It's not entire icon, it's a tray by phone or the system itself, right? So don't consider it as a round, right? Oh, okay. So if I want to create in other phones, you may notice that if we have this drive option, then okay, let's not talk about that drive, but the photos and okay, drive is also okay. So these icons have are not in a square bracket uh, like this. So these are not in a squares, right? These are in a round or a custom shape. So we want to create such icon for our application. Like if you may notice that the Facebook have its own icon of that app, the Instagram has its own icon, different shaped icon, right? So there are lots of example of that, how to how the customs icons looks like. If you are using a music app, then you will find a sitar kind of stuff in its icon. If you are using a garden app, then there will be a pot, only a pot, no background, nothing else, only a pot shape icon. So how to create such icons for the application? So let's learn that. So for that, in the last video we have baked the image with the online tool or the online website or India Bake or something like that. This one, yes, www.imgbake.in. Okay, from that, now in the Android has great facility to create such a bake of images, but the problem with Android is that you have to have provide a background, or the background will be taken default by the system, so this may not work for us. Okay, so in that, first of all you have to create, for that you have to create image asset, right? Image asset, in that you will find such icons, right? So select your part, your icon. Here let me select it from my drive. It's here, logo, right? Okay, so this is, now I will reshape it so it can fit in that at least every shape. Oh, little more, not that much. Okay, so it's perfect, right? Now remember that you don't need to change the name of that launcher, right? You are not supposed to change that name. Okay, let's go into background and give it the color. So color would be whatever. Okay, okay, and next, right? Okay, and after that you will have some a little warning over there. No problem, finish it. Okay, so the everything in that launcher foreground and launcher uh, round is changed with our icon, but still we will not get our custom shaped icon, right? So for that, what we have to do that, uh, we have to go with this folder, right? And in that you will notice that HDPI, MDPI, XHDPI, double XHDPI and triple XHDPI, right? So this same image should be copied into this IC launcher and IC launcher round, but the respective folder should maintain, right? So let me give you an example. I have copied this foreground image. I'm going to here and just paste it, right? But please notice that I have copied HDPI, right? So I will do what I will do is I will just remove this launcher, go here with any DPI dash HDPI, right? And let's okay. It will ask me for override, right? So if I will override, it will do some stuff, and then okay. Now let's look at this image. Okay, so everything is fine. Now for every image you have to do that. So let me do it for you and pause this video here. All right, so we have done in with each and every image, right. So in every, this is only foreground, no background, right? So launcher in that is only foreground every image, and in round there is also a foreground image, right? And now what we have to do is we have to change this background color with white. So let's make it hashtag FF, right? Okay, so this color will be FFF, right? Okay, if you don't know how to do that, control click, right? Okay, now in that there will be one more, and in that control and click, and it will be okay, right? So what we have did is we have copied this launcher foreground, we have copy it, we have paste over here control V, we have named this foreground from IC launcher, so remove that. This is what your example, right? And the HDPI folder will remain same. We'll click OK, we'll overwrite it, right? And you have done. Now if you will run this project, let's run it, and you will have that custom icon, right? Let me pause for while it's running. Alright guys, so you can see here that our application has a custom icon. If you do not consider this background, then you will obviously have that transparent and the custom shaped icon you have, right? So if you don't know how to create that custom icon, right, then I have a separate video for that, and it's a simple process with the Android application, right? So it's well for the beginners, right? Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any uh, query, then ask in the comment box. Thank you.